What is up, everybody? Welcome to the new series I'm going to be doing on my channel. I am branding it the Quarantorials because, well, it's tutorials in quarantine. That won't stop after quarantine. I'll just be in a different setup, but I'm here to help creators with all things audio related, whether you are a music producer, mixer, engineer, or wanting to get into that, or a video creator or a podcaster, because I know there's a few of you that want to start a podcast while you're bored inside. Obviously. I'm here to help you with that. From anything getting started with new projects to working on projects or developing skills that you have not had time to do, whether you're in your normal setup or a home setup or a less than ideal situation, does not mean that you can't be creating. And that's what I want to help with and bring some inspiration to. Now is literally the perfect time to try and learn something and put it to use. Just doing it is one of the things that's going to help get all of us through this crazy time that we're in. Getting those new projects started where you've always said you've never had enough time, now you literally only have time. I know creating things helps me get through these stressful times, so hopefully I can either help you or inspire you to work on your creations and keep some sanity in your life. So stay tuned for more and leave a comment down below if there's something you would like me to dive into or look at or answer your questions. We're all in this together. We're all trying to stay sane through this. So let me help you with the audio in your projects. I will see you in the next one. Until then, always be creating.